Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today you might notice that I'm in a different location, and that's because I moved into college. So I'm showing you guys my college dorm tour. Just some information about what's going on. I am a sophomore in college. I live in a room that shares a bathroom with another room. So there are two rooms sharing one bathroom. I have one roommate. There are two girls in the other room next door. So basically 4 people share a bathroom, but only 2 people per room. All right, so let's get on with that room tour. So as soon as you walk in and you turn over here, you have our sink, and we have a little mirror over here. And on the inside of the mirror, we just keep all of our face stuff and our tooth stuff. Then down here we have a hand sanitizer right by the door, so we can just sanitize as soon as we walk in. Then we've got a hand soap and this cute little dish brush, and you just pour the detergent in there and you press it and then you clean with it, and it's super nice. And then over here underneath the sink we have got all of our cleaning supplies. So we just have the basic necessities. We have some extra toilet paper, some paper towels. Okay, moving right along. Oh, for now we're keeping our broom and Swiffer over here. We might move it just because it doesn't look the nicest, but I don't really know where else to put it. And then we have this scent thing. It smells so good, it's beautiful. We've got our towels, and this is the door to the bathroom. Let's quickly take a peek inside just so that you guys know what it looks like. Okay, so it's very small. There's just a toilet, we have a trash can, and this is the shower. A little curtain, and my towel's hanging up over here. There's 4 hooks, and that door leads to my suite mate's room. Now, if we spin around, my side is on the left, my roommate's is on the right, and I'm not going to show you her stuff just because I want her to protect her privacy. I didn't ask her if I can film it. First of all, we have a full-length mirror, and it's cracked. My roommate bought this and she said that it cracked while she was carrying it up here, unfortunately. So we're gonna get a new one as soon as we can. And over here, we've got my desk. And it basically looks the same as it did last year. If you want to see that video, you can go check it out. It's not the best. Here's the desk. Actually, the water bottle I don't usually keep up there. I was just out and about, so I have that with me. So let's start with the top shelf. This is mainly for decoration purposes, but I also have my jewelry up here. I have my bracelets and anklets, and then we've got necklaces, and then over here we've got earrings, a jewelry tray. I might end up using it. We've got room spray. I have my sunglasses here, and oh, I keep my mask over here, and I also put my ID on top. Just so that I know to grab both while I'm leaving, because those are the 2 most important things that I could have if I'm leaving my room. These two, I got these mugs from Target, and they're so cute. They're the same theme, but they're different. So I just have 2 in case someone else is visiting and they need a mug for some tea. I've got my fairy lights decorating it. It's just super cute. And then let's go down here. We've got desk lamp, my water bottle. I have my Polaroid camera over here. Doesn't really have anywhere else to put it. Didn't really fit anywhere else, so I'm just keeping it here for now. I have some decoration, and this is a little wireless charger, but the cord wasn't long enough to reach the floor, so I'm gonna have to get a new one. I have my mouse, my computer, and this desk mat, you guys. I'm telling you, it is a secret thing that no one ever gets, but it makes your whole desk look so much nicer, and then you could use the whole desk as a mouse pad, and also you don't have to worry about ruining the college's desk. I just have my denim jacket draped over the chair over here, but if we pull it back, let's take a look inside of this drawer. So over here I just have a bunch of various notebooks, my planner, my pencil case in case I need to go to class. I just have the basic pencils in here, so I can just grab it and go. I have a laptop lock in case I need to use it for some reason. Yeah, so this is just notebooks. In this drawer, I have got pencils and pens and some other school office supplies, some tape, scissors, stapler, and then back there I have like some paper clips and some thumbtacks and some rulers, but I don't really use them that much, so I'm putting them in the back. And then this drawer, we have all of my electronics, I guess you could call them. So I have headphones, various chargers, and then back there I have like accessories, like this little Velcro that I use to bunch up my chargers. And then I have like an extra screen protector because my screen is currently cracked, so I should probably change it soon. And then let me just move my bag. This big drawer over here, it is my makeup. So I have my mirror, I have all my makeup in here. So this is just makeup. It's nice to have it by my desk because this is where I'm getting ready in the morning. So like you saw before, I keep my bag over here, partially because this drawer tends to slide open on its own. So it kind of serves two purposes, keeping it closed, and also it's right here in case I need it. And I think it's a good spot where it's not in the way of anything. Over here, I am keeping my shower caddy on a towel because it tends to get a little bit soggy after I shower with it. And I do have a bathroom in my dorm, but there's no shelves in there, so it's still important to have a shower caddy for my particular situation because I just bring all of my toiletries to the bathroom with me since I'm not storing them there. And I also have my trash can over in that corner. I also have my flip-flops, those are my shower shoes. And then let's move on to the bed. I am absolutely thrilled at how tall it is. I feel like having a super tall bed with like boxes underneath is such a college thing to do. And I don't have a stool yet because I wasn't expecting my bed to be this big because last year my bed wasn't this tall. So right now I have to like sprint and like jump up onto it, but I'll get a stool soon. All right, let's start with the top. I have a dream catcher hanging over here, a beautiful tapestry. Tapestries are a great way to decorate your dorm because it'll cover that bland wall. It'll give your space some personality. It'll also kind of make it a little bit warmer and cozier. And then I have my fairy lights strung across, featuring all of my favorite people and pets, and just some of my favorite photos. I just think it looks so pretty all together. Now, I don't have a comforter on my bed right now because it is summer, so I sort of thought it would probably be a little bit too hot with one. Although honestly, the temperature to this room is set at maximum and it is still very, very cold in here. Like, I am usually chilling in sweatpants and a sweatshirt. Actually, they're right here. I always keep them on my bed, so I just can grab them easily. Just the current ones that I'm wearing, you know, obviously it's not gonna be the same one. I switch it out as they get dirty. But I just have this little thin fuzzy blanket and I have this thicker one in case I get cold at night. And also it looks really pretty. It kind of adds another color to the room, to the color scheme. I have all my throw pillows. I might get a huge one to put back there because it kind of feels like they're all falling through. There is kind of a big gap because of this windowsill going on. That's okay. Yeah, actually, speaking of which, we have a window in our room. Like, I am so happy. Last year, if you saw my video, you might know that my window faced the inside of this building. It's a very odd design and it faced like the dining hall that was inside. So it was always very loud and very, very dark in the room. So I always had to keep the lights on even in the very middle of the day. Right now the lights are on in here, but that's only because it's already like, the sun is starting to set, which is another great thing. Like, you could see the sunset through the windows, and my roommate and I were just like drinking tea and like just enjoying the sunset. All right, enough about my window. I'm clearly very happy about that. It just brightens up the room so much. It's awesome. Let's get back to my bed. Underneath my bed, of course, that's where all of the storage is. My bed last year was a lot shorter than this one, probably by a foot. So I could only fit 2 of these bins underneath. Now I can fit 3 of the bins, but if I did that, then I'd have like 1 bin with like a huge empty space on top because those are like a different width and depth than these, so it wouldn't stack on top. So I might actually end up getting 2 more bins because once it gets colder, I'm gonna bring my scarves and some jackets and hats and gloves. because you need it here. It gets so windy and freezing. Even so, I do think that this is so nice. Like, I have a lot of storage. Everything is organized and it's not like crammed in there. I'll give a quick look around at these drawers. So let's start with this top one over here. So, oh, actually, before I get into that, over here I have my backpack for now. I actually haven't even taken off the tags. I have this towel for wiping down my dishes because I have my dishes in here. We'll see in a second. And over here I have my tea bag because I use my tea bag like 2 or 3 times before throwing it out because I like my tea very watered down. I don't like it too strong, so I could definitely get like 3 uses out of it. I also just have my hat here because I didn't know where to put it, so that's the only thing that's out of place right now, I think. Okay, so let's look inside this drawer. This is my bath drawer, I guess you could call it. I have some washcloths, some hand towels, and some, I think I have 1 full-size towel down here. And over here, I have all of my toiletries and beauty supplies that I don't use on a daily basis in the shower. If I use them on a daily basis, they're in here or in my nightstand. But these are like other things that I might use that I just don't use very often. That's everything for this drawer. Oh, I also have my sunscreen and bug spray here just so that they're close. In this bottom drawer over here, we have got a lot of period products because I don't want to run out and have to go to the store for them. I feel like that would be very stressful. So I just stocked up for hopefully what will be the full 2 semesters. And then I also have some chocolate over here and some medication for cramps, but I thought it would be cute. It's like a little, like a period care basket. I have my hair dryer here because it's the only place it would fit. I have an extra set of sheets and like some other random stuff, but that's about it. Now in the drawer next over, in the top, I have all of my kitchen supplies. This year I bought a lot of food stuff, so I decided to separate it into like actual meals on the top and then snacks on the bottom. So over here at the top, I have some dry pasta and sauce for a quick easy dinner or lunch. I have some salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, a frying pan that is compatible with the college's stovetop, some measuring spoons, some extra plates and bowls. Over here I have Tupperware in case I have leftovers because honestly the portions at some of these places are massive and I don't have an unlimited meal plan, so I need to save as much as possible. We've got a healthy cooking spray. And then over here I have, these are so cute, you guys. I was obsessed with them. They're like mini, like kitchen utensils. And they're like rubber so that they don't damage the pan. And they're super cute. Like it's rose gold and white and it's super cute. But I have them all in here as well as some, just some silverware. Now in this bottom drawer, I have all of my snacks. I'm not going to go into depth with them right now because I want to do a separate video on the kind of snacks and food items that I brought with me to college. But here you could have a little look around. I definitely have my tea, and these are just snacks that are very dorm compatible. Now on to the next stack. In this top drawer, I just have my workout clothes. There's not that much right now, and the gym is closed, but maybe if it opens, it'll get some use out of it, or if I decide to go on a run. That's not gonna happen though, probably. In this middle drawer, I just have some extra techie things. And then this drawer down here is all of the health things, I guess you could say. So I have my vitamins up here. This little bin over here is if I get sick, like a cold or something. And then over here are just sort of like everyday relief things like Tums and melatonin and like Lactaid. And back there I have like Band-Aids and things for cuts. This thing is my laundry hamper. I think it looks so classy, and in it I just keep a mini version of my detergent so I can just carry this whole thing with me. In this bin I just have extra like refills of various things. I also have my almond milk right here. I actually forgot, I meant to put that in in the kitchen supplies drawer, so I'll do that after I'm done with this video. Now, if we back up a little and look at my little dresser, it's pretty simple right now. It doesn't have too much going on. Up top, I have a mini little light, which is perfect if I need a little bit extra light if I'm reading at night or something. Of course, as long as my roommate's cool with that, because this does sort of light up the whole room, like I was talking about earlier with the other light. I have my diffuser, which is so awesome. It smells really good. I have some of my crystals over here, my phone charger, this little jewelry thing with some bracelets, and a little elephant charm, just in case I need to take off jewelry like as I'm in bed. I have the book that I'm reading right now over here, and I have some lotion over here that honestly just looks really pretty, and if I need to use it, it's right here. Now, let's take a look inside of these drawers real quick. Okay, so this top one is all of my everyday toiletries that... Okay, the next drawer down, we have got all of my fuzzy socks. I know, like, who needs this many fuzzy socks? I have so many. And then in this last drawer over here, I just have my PJs. I actually have a set that I just got. Hopefully I don't regret it. There we go. Finally, if we spin around back this way, I'll show you guys real quick. My roommate actually had most of this stuff from last year, but we have an electric kettle because we love tea, some paper towels, the water filter, so useful, microwave, fridge, and then over here is the closet. And now that's my roommate's and this one is mine. So let's take a look inside. But first, well, first of all, as you can see, this just opens by itself. And this happened last year in my other room. It opened by itself all the time. Like all of them just always do, especially that side of the door. Anyway, up top, I have my yoga mat. Now let's take a look inside. All right, this is the closet. Honestly, I'm not proud of the folding right now. I didn't really refold anything when I moved in. This is sort of just what I put it in the bag as, and I just plopped it down here. Let's start at the top. I just have all my sweaters over here. I just decided to bring them right away because you never know when it's gonna get cold. Autumn is so unpredictable. Then over here I have all of my jeans. I promise you, they're all different. I know they look kind of the same, but they're all different. Like some of them are ripped, some of them are mom jeans, and some of them are like different washes. Now down here I have my tops. So short sleeve, long sleeve over there. And right here I just have a little tray with all of my face masks. By the way, go watch my face mask haul if you haven't seen that already, because I show you all of these. I try them on and stuff. A shelf down, I have my shorts and skirts. A shelf down, I have all of my comfy clothes that isn't pajamas. So I have sweaters and leggings, and then I also have a lint roller. On this side, this is just all of my hanging clothes. And then on the bottom, I have all of my shoes. So I sort of have all of my boots and sneakers over here. I have all of my heels and sandals over here. Okay, I'm gonna close this now, and then this drawer on the bottom pulls out. In here, I just keep all my underwear, my bras, and my socks. I have some swimsuits back there in case I need them, and I have some tights as well, and also tights in here. This gets a little stuck. Okay, that's the end of today's video. Thank you for sticking around to the end. Leave a comment in the description telling me if you're in college, if you're dorming, all of that fun stuff. And stick around for future college-related videos. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!